Hey everyone, welcome back to BackTech Product. Today, we're checking out one of the most underrated kitchen tools, the best electric can opener. If you're tired of messy pop tops or sharp edges, the Hamilton Beach 76606ZA might be your new favorite gadget. Stay tuned for all the details, and don't forget to check the price link below. Let's get started. Product features: smooth, safe lid edges. One of the biggest advantages of this model is how it eliminates sharp edges. Unlike traditional can openers that slice into the top of the lid, the Hamilton Beach 76606ZA cuts along the side of the can. This leaves a smooth, touch-safe edge. No more worrying about cutting your fingers or tossing away a jagged lid. Even better, you can reuse the lid to temporarily cover leftovers. That's both safer and more convenient, especially if you're storing food in the fridge. Opens pop-top and regular cans. Another feature that sets this opener apart is its ability to handle both pop-top and standard cans. If you've ever had a tough time prying open a pop-top can, especially with wet or greasy hands, you'll love this. Just place the can, press the lever, and the opener takes care of the rest. Clean, effortless, and no mess. One-handed operation. The Hamilton Beach can opener comes with an easy-touch lever that allows for one-handed use. This is a great feature if you're multitasking in the kitchen or have limited hand strength or mobility. Just press down gently and the opener does the rest. No twisting, no turning, no hassle. Compact and easy to use. Ease of use is one of this model's strongest points. There's no complicated setup, no multiple steps, just plug it in, place your can, and press the lever. The compact design also makes it easy to store or leave on your counter without it being in the way. Pros: safe edges mean no more finger cuts or lid mishaps. Works with both regular and pop-top cans. One-hand operation makes it accessible for everyone. Sleek, stylish design enhances your kitchen's look. Compact size saves valuable counter space. Super user-friendly, no manual needed. Cons: no built-in LED light. Some electric can openers have a light for low light conditions, but this one does not, which might be a downside in dim kitchens. Power outlet required. Since this is an electric model, you need to keep it near a power source, which is not ideal if you're tight on outlets. Final thoughts. The Hamilton Beach 76606ZA electric can opener is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's ideal for anyone looking for a safe, easy, and stylish way to open cans. Whether you're prepping dinner, storing leftovers, or just opening soup for lunch, this can opener makes the task effortless. Its combination of smart design, practical features, and simple usability makes it a standout choice, especially for seniors, busy cooks, or anyone tired of dealing with manual can openers. That's it for today's review. If you found it helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to BackTech Product. Check the description for the latest price. Thanks for watching.